Good day, everyone. Today, I will demonstrate a program that implements modular programming using number one, bypass value, and second is pass by reference. It should determine the least common multiple or greatest common factor of three positive two-digit numbers. So, let's go to the Visual Studio Code wherein this is our code, and as we can say, it helps to determine the LCM and the GCF for three positive two-digit numbers. Take note, it is only two-digit positive numbers. So these are the whole code. Then to test if the code is correct, let's go to the file directory on where we save the .asm file. So in my case, it is here in the folder architecture and organization to be found in new volume D run files. So here we are going to run the cmd or command prompt, and after that we will type the command for running the program. Here is the we're going to type you're going to type nasam negative f space win 32 and then the file name, which is part2.asm, then press enter. Oh, there is no 2 because it is part 2. Okay, then next is the gcc negative o, the file name, which is part2, and again the file name part2.obj. After that, just put the file name to finally run the code part2, and here we go. Hi, this is Aaron and Robert Lanusa, and we are here to help you determine the LCM and the GCF. Okay, it is the intro message. Then here there are three menus. For the first one is exit. Second is to find the LCM and GCF 0, 1, 2, and that is the choices. So for example, we are going to find the LCM first. So just type 1, then enter the three two-digit numbers separated by space. Okay, for example, let's just enter 10, 20, and 30. So the LCM or least common multiple of 10, 20, and 30 are 60, which is correct. And so for example, we want to find the GCF, just type 2 and then enter the two-digit numbers. Let's just say it is 15, 25, and 35. And here we go. The greatest common factor of 15, 25, and 35 is 5. So let's just say, for example, we want to try negative number in order to test if the code is correct, because it is indicated there that it is only positive. So let's, for example, find again the GCF of a number. For example, let's go negative 50, then 2 positive 10, and 40. So let's see. Oh, there are an error message which says inputs should only be between 1 to 99. Please enter a valid inputs. So as you can see, it is correct. Okay, and example, let's just put a valid integer, which is mm, 56, 24, and 68. Okay, the greatest common factor is 4, which is if we double check it, it is correct. So lastly, to exit, just enter 0, and then um, there are thank you message, and so that would be all. And um, I hope that you learned something for today's video. Thank you.